Alright, today it's time for a tune-up for my 5.7 slammed GMC CrewCab. You see the old style coils and wires. We're changing all that out. And I'll show you what we're going to be doing now. Here's the other side. Factory coils. See how the gum is on the upside on these new coils I'm going to show you. It's on the bottom, so it doesn't show. It's going to look a lot better too. Well, here we go. I got these Dragon Fire ignition wires, 10.2 millimeter thick. Part number. So those are the plug wires that I'm going to be putting in here. And here are the coils I'm going to be putting in here. That's the part number on these coils. And they're by Rev, as you can see. Let's take a look at where it says the Rev. It's right there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's give it some light. There it is. So these are the coils and the AC Delco 41162 Iridium spark plugs are the plugs that are be going into my motor too, just for a full tune-up. There's the whole deal. Let's get to it. Well, ran into a problem. Not going to be able to change out the coils because these don't match and won't work. I don't know what's going on, but they don't work, so just gonna have to change out the plug wires and plugs. Well, remember the coils I was showing you? They ended up not working. They didn't sit flush on the coil rack, but I got my plugs and wires in there. A little bit different, looks a little bit better with the wires. See that? Yeah, buddy. Looks good. Got new plugs in there, so at least that part of the tune-up's done. Just because I have to do some research to get some new coils in there. All right, we'll see what happens. All right, so I finally got the right coils. Those are the stock ones. You see that? Cleaned them all up. Cleaned the engine up yesterday because I had to replace the knock sensors. Cleaned up the intake and everything else too. You'll see right now when I get these new coils on here, you'll see the difference. All right. This is the new coils. They're by Rev. That's the part number. So you'll see right now. There's one of them. See the difference on the coils compared to the stock. So let's get them installed right now. Alright, everything all installed. Let's take a look. Looks pretty good, huh? Yep. I'm liking it. Tell me what you think, guys. Yep. By Rev. That's who these coils are by. As you can see there. Wasn't that difficult of an installation. Pretty easy. Just do the plugging and plug the spark plug wires. I'm gonna do that right now, so see what it looks like after I'm done with that. All right, now this side done too. Look at that, beautiful. Nice and clean. Both sides looking clean. Yeah, buddy. Love it. Cleaned up the intake and everything yesterday. Like I said, I think I said I had to change out the knock sensors and cleaned up the intake and everything, just to make sure no water or anything were in them holes. The intake is very clean. You know, they come with that little foam thing. Let's see if we can see it here. Yeah, see that? No foam. So now it's just the intake, nice and clear. The knock sensors got that orange or red RTV high temp around the plugs and around the wire. So even if I wash it again, the engine bay, it won't get into them and foul them out again. So anyway, got my tune-up finally done. Alright guys, this will be the end of this video. Let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comment, whatever you like to do. I'll put everything in the description. So if you want to do anything like this, you can. Cool? Alright guys, peace out.